Hi, welcome to my channel Style with Radha Mane. Today I'm going to show you how to get matte lips easily and like a pro. So to start with, I would like to share one tip with you about getting matte lips. If you have dry lips, then do put your lip balm way before you put your lipstick on, so that you don't get that sheen on your lips as you want the matte finish. So to start with a lip pencil. um, I'm taking a pink pencil today as I want pink matte lips that would go with my sari and my blouse. So to start with, take the lip pencil, the lip liner, and make sure that it is pointed and well sharpened. So make the outline on your lips. Start with your upper lip and then go towards your lower lip. It is very important to keep your hands steady, whether it is lipstick or your eyeliner. I'm using it at an angle and not using the point, so that because later on I have to fill up my lips with this lip pencil to form the base. Make sure you cover your corners of the lips as well. Don't worry if it is going little outside, you can always clean it afterwards. After this, after you have done with the outlining, then fill up your lips with this same pencil. cover the inner corners and the inner sides of your lips, the middle part, so that it doesn't look bad while you're speaking. So this is how I'm ready with my base. You can use a cotton bud to clean if any lipstick or any color has come out. I'm ready with my base. Then take the lipstick of your choice and put it on. Amount of it because it is going to come out afterwards when you are going to give that matte effect. So I have put on this lipstick and I want a matte look now. So just do one thing, take one tissue paper and with tissue paper you need powder to dust on it, and you can use any powder, your regular powder or even talcum powder for that matter. So place the tissue paper properly on your lips. Take on the talcum powder on the brush and then put on good amount of talcum powder or whatever powder you're using. Put it on the lips from outside of the tissue paper. That will take away that extra shine and that extra color from your lips and will give that matte finish to your lipstick which you are looking for. So this is how it looks, and if you look at it, the lipstick won't come out for hours and it will stay. Even if you are drinking something or if you are wiping your face and you're having some kind of liquid, still your lipstick won't come out because of this finish what you have done, this finishing after putting on your lipstick, and the base which you have to give with your your lip pencil, that is very important, because even if your lipstick comes out, you have some color on your lips. So this is very easy. You can see this, it's like it will give you that professional look, and it will look gorgeous on you whenever you want matte finish on your lips. Then please go for this, follow these tips, and so this is how it looks. So this is a very fresh morning, and I'm wearing this floral sari, and for that reason I needed matte lipstick for my lips. I'm going minimal today, so this is how I wanted, little bright but matte lips, not shiny, which will go with the weather, and it will stay, because I have a long day ahead and have to go to many places, so my lipstick will stay as it is. So please follow the tips, and this is Radha Mane for you, your styling expert. Please do let us know if you want any other tips from us, and if you want us to make any videos for you. Do subscribe to my channel, and please like and share the video. Thank you so much. Keep smiling.